Joni, what do you suggest for families cooking more at home?
Oh, right. Okay, so I have 3 things that I want to share. Prepared jarred sauces. So, pesto, right?
Pesto.
This is Trader Joe's, and it's not something that you need to keep in the refrigerator. It's in the pantry. So, it lasts a long time, right?
Yeah.
Prepared sauce. All ready to
Sauces.
go.
Right.
All right, a kit. Again, not in
Oh.
the fridge, it's in my pantry, and it's a kit. It has everything that you need to make pad thai.
Lovely.
So, another prepared sauce. This, just a little bit of this mixed in with maybe coconut milk, regular milk, just cream.
Red curry. So that could go on both like rice as well as vegetables, potatoes.
Perfect.
Okay.
Yes. Butternut squash.
Oh.
A spaghetti squash. And one more thing. On sale, I get the 2 for $6 or something like that. Hummus. And I keep it in the freezer.
In the freezer, right. So you could stock
Yeah.
up. You don't have to get it every week. You
And just take out one at a time. And when I have a saute, when I'm sauteing a dish or something, hold on a second. Check this out, broccoli slaw.
Oh, it's all ready to go.
It's all ready to go. You can put that in with your rice noodles.
Yeah.
You still have the rice noodles, but you have extra nutrition. But put this in a skillet with some ground chicken, ground turkey. Cook that, add this in, and a scoop of hummus.
Oh,
Yeah, and a little bit of water just to thin it out.
Okay.
Stir it around, and you've got a good, yummy dish.
nice.
I like this one. It's the garlic version, so it has a little bit more umami. You know, that deep flavor that we all love for that, for a dish like that, for a chicken dish.